ka kynhun Myntri next ngi kala mynjur ki jingai jingmut man thauno ya ka Meghalaya Teacher Training Academy MTTA kum ka society man pyntbit bad banyo ya ki nonghikai ki babyang na ka banta ki khna school jong ka jela ka MTTA kan de ka society ka balaj luj ka badai hapo jong ka DERT banyo e ki nonghikai ki batbit ha ki liang baroh na ka banta jong ki khna school jong ka jela hi bro ka wei ulai thoro ba ka MTTA kan pejbet tang habai de ka jingai jinghikai ya ki nonghikai namar ka don kam man kan tiu ya ka pulei ka puthi ha ka jela.
The next was the proposal for establishment of the Meghalaya Teacher Training Academy as an autonomous society to drive high quality teacher education, capacity building and professional development. So this is a society which we are proposing, which will be under the DERT, to basically focus and look at teacher training as its component, and it will be a body and a society that will be run independently in terms of its functioning. There will be professionals in it, and teachers training is a very important part of our exercise to improve the overall education sector. And of course we require different kinds of trainings for different levels of teachers, and therefore we strongly felt that an autonomous society is required for this particular training to happen. Government departments and agencies have multiple tasks to do, and hence sometimes we are not able to focus on the training aspect, but this society is being created specifically for training, and there are different funding agencies that are there that have funds for training of teachers, and they all do their training at their own capacity, at their own level, which sometimes does not yield the kind of final results that we would want. And hence one society would ensure that the focus is there, and every agency or every program that is there where there is a funding for teachers training, funds will be transferred to this society, and the training will be done at a professional level by this particular society.